What's the meaning of bedside? Bedside. Bedside.
Bedside. Bedside. The word bedside typically refers to the area immediately surrounding a bed, particularly in a hospital or medical setting. It can also refer more generally to the side of a bed that one sleeps on. The term is often used in the context of healthcare, as doctors and nurses frequently check in on patients at their bedside to monitor their condition and administer care. Additionally, the phrase bedside manner is often used to describe the way in which a healthcare provider interacts with their patients, particularly in terms of their ability to empathize and communicate effectively. Overall, the term bedside is closely associated with the field of medicine and patient care.